Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm so excited you decided to stop by. For those of you who are new, my name is Michelle. I mostly post cleaning videos, organization, day in the lives, anything related to mommyhood. I do enjoy doing some hauls every now and then, so if you're into that sort of thing, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. But today's video is a cleaning video. If you are not new here, then the state of my house right now probably is not a big shock to you. I really struggle with keeping up on things right now. My son is just wild, so when he is home, it is just constant chasing after him. My husband works graveyard, so when he gets home from work about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, we try and spend as much time together as possible. I am helping my daughter with schoolwork, so it has just been complete and utter chaos. And once things kind of start slacking off, I just kind of block it all out of my mind because I feel like it's already messy, and then things start piling up. So I wanted to go ahead and start tackling the mess. I did start this at night. It was already pretty late at night, but I did want to start at least getting some of the dishes done because I knew the next morning that I wanted to film, and I wanted to get the entire house picked back up so that it was no longer a disaster. So let's get on into it.
You got me begging, pretty please. I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like, but I sure think you do. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know.
Now, I have gotten a lot of questions about my black silverware. I did get that off of Amazon, and I will leave a link down below. I really love this silverware, and I was afraid that it would have water stains, and it does not. And a lot of people, when I bought the black silverware, thought it was so weird, but honestly, I love it, and we do all white plates, so I think it looks really nice having the white and black, and it's definitely something a little bit different. So if you are interested in the link, it will be down in my description box.
We spend the night on bubble bliss, forever lasting. I know you never would admit it, but I can see through you. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're nightbound. Lovers on the clock. I'll be ready when we go.
Now, because I did have a lot of dishes sitting in my sink all day, I did want to go ahead and clean it out, and I used this Mrs. Meyer's cleaning vinegar. It's in the lemon verbena scent, and I do mix a little bit of dish soap in it, and I mostly just put the dish soap in so I can see where I've put it because the vinegar is clear, so it's hard to see exactly where you've scrubbed, and I wanted to make sure that I got the bottom scrubbed pretty well. I also did go ahead and put one of these planks in. I get these at Walmart, and they definitely freshen up the garbage disposal and make everything like fresh smelling. So I wanted to go ahead and do that. Even though I knew I was going to be doing more stuff in the sink, it definitely needed to be done. Now, I wasn't expecting to do this, but my daughter, we had made her a little cake in a cup for dessert, and I totally forgot to stir it and it boiled over. So I just took some baking soda and I have vinegar in this little spray bottle, and I let it sit for a few minutes and made a paste basically, and all of it wiped up like super easily. I barely had to scrub anything at all. And while I was doing that, I figured I might as well just wipe out the microwave real quick. It wasn't too bad, but I did want to go ahead and give it a quick wipe down since the tray was already out of it.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Now, by this point, my husband had woken up and he was getting ready for work, and I didn't really make the bed, but I did want to lay everything out flat because I was going to be folding. I had 2 loads of laundry that I needed to fold and put away, and I don't know how people stand in laundry rooms and do it. I've tried it before, and it just is not my jam. I like sitting in bed, putting something on the TV, or I'll sit on the couch if my husband is sleeping and fold while catching up on shows, YouTube videos, whatever it is. So I did go ahead and start knocking all of that out, so that way I didn't have a ton of laundry to do the next day.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unknown.
Now, like I said, the next morning, I knew I was going to get up and I wanted to record a cleaning video. So I went ahead and started the day off by making my bed. I feel like this makes such a big difference, even though it only stays made for a few hours. And I kind of just made it quick and sloppy today because I had a ton of stuff I wanted to get done. But making your bed definitely makes you feel more motivated and automatically makes your room look cleaner, and that is what I was going for. So I went ahead, made the bed, and did a quick pickup in the room, made sure that everything was up off the floors so that I could go ahead and vacuum my floors.
I do wanna stay here and let loose, just keep on loving all night.
Now, I did get an order in that day from Simply Earth. They are essential oils, and I've heard so many good things about them, and I wanted to go ahead and try them out for myself. I did a lot of research on some of the different oils that are available, and I landed on these because, one, the quality and price is there, and I have heard the best things about them versus some of the other essential oil brands. So a lot of the oils that I already had, I had been gifted, or I just kind of picked up because I was just getting into using the essential oils. So I took off the ones that I don't really use that often, or I had doubles of because I ordered them through Simply Earth, and I moved those into the laundry room for now. I will probably use the rest of them up, but these ones, you can definitely tell the quality is so much better than a lot of the ones that I had. You use way less, and they just smell a lot better because they smell more like the actual scent they're supposed to be and not like artificially scented or anything. So I am loving these so far. Hopefully it sticks and I can keep ordering from them, but I will leave a link down below. This is not sponsored by them or anything, but I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to go check them out. Now, I did take a bunch of jackets out of my closet, and I wanted to hang them in the coat closet just for hanging space. I am so weird right now, I feel like, and all of my hangers in my closet match. And this is the first time in my life that all of my hangers have been identical to each other. And I had ordered a box of hangers and somehow got the wrong ones. They were white and gold instead of black and gold. So I figured I can use the white and gold ones in the hall closet and or the entryway closet, and I can use those for jackets. So I did hang up all of my jackets in there on the white hangers. That way I didn't have to buy more black and gold hangers because I had so many extra hangers and I did not want to waste them. I finished up in the living room by vacuuming, and you could tell I had to set the vacuum down because kids need things, and that's just how my day always goes. But I did go ahead and also vacuum out the dog bed. You can't see it on camera, but it did have a lot of hair kind of around the edge. For being a short hair dog, our dog sheds a ton. So I definitely have to stay up on top of the vacuuming. Otherwise, we will all be covered in hair all the time.
I don't care if you don't wanna do all the things that I do, that I do. I only wanna be the one who makes you feel so good, so good. I'm trying to figure out where all of the pieces are going to fit, but I stumble in the dark when I am not with you. Baby, I'm going crazy. I wanna be somebody for you that makes your heart run wild. I wanna turn you on, 'cause lately I've been feeling like there's somebody you'd rather hide from. Don't wanna lose, yeah.
Now, I did want to go ahead and use this Folex. I've talked about it before. It is a stain remover, and my son has these cute little white shoes, and as you can see, the tips of them had definitely gotten like stained. He's only worn them a few times, so I wanted to use the Folex to try and get some of the stains out. And then he also had stains on one of his white t-shirts. I buy like 6 packs of white t-shirts from Walmart for him. They're really cheap and they match a lot of the printed shorts. So I went ahead and sprayed the Folex on that and dabbed out the chocolate stains that were on it before I put them into the washing machine.
I don't understand. No, I stumble in the dark. I don't wanna pressure you, but baby, I am going crazy. I wanna be somebody for you that makes your heart run wild. I wanna turn you on, 'cause lately I've been feeling like there's somebody you'd rather hide from. Don't wanna lose, yeah, lose.
Now after this part, my mom duties were calling, so I did go ahead and take a break on the cleaning and picked it up later that night. I wanted to start off basically right where I left off and finish getting this kitchen cleaned. Like I said earlier in the video, I was determined I was not going to go to bed until the house was cleaned. That way I could keep it up throughout the week and not have it be such a disaster.
Reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger. Alright, let's wear a finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now.
I am honestly amazed by what is not picked up on camera. I was looking at my trash can every time I threw something away, and it was so gross. It definitely had like a layer of dust a little bit on the top, and then from when I eject the vacuum into it, some dirt had gotten all along the edge, and you could totally see it really well in person. The lid is also stainless steel, so you can see all the fingerprints and everything, and it doesn't pick that up on camera at all, but I swear that that trash can was so dirty, and it looks like I am cleaning a clean trash can, but I am not, I promise.
But I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
Alright guys, and that wraps up today's video. I am so happy that I was able to just power through and tackle the rest of the house and make sure that everything was picked up so I could wake up in the morning and start fresh and hopefully keep everything maintained, which this video was filmed earlier last week, and I am happy to say that we were able to keep it up. So I definitely feel like that's one of the biggest tips that I can give anybody if they want a cleaner house is you literally have to stay on top of it, because once you slide a little bit, it is so hard to get back into that routine and keeping things picked up. But like I said, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, and it lets me know that you guys are liking my content that I'm putting out. And if you are new, I would love for you to take a minute and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I'm like a golden crown.